Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today we're at Melbourne City. We're gonna meet up with my partner's cousin at the youth groups. So yeah, we're gonna get some hot pot and we'll see from there. Hopefully it'll be a nice things to do here. Alright, so we're gonna meet her cousin in the train station. So at the moment we're in Flinders Station. You can see that's where all the trains are. And yeah, we should be meeting them pretty soon.
Look, I'm buying $4-5. You don't have. You really don't.
Nah. So this is called My Key. This is what we use to travel public transport. We have our own cards. So basically this is what we get as a card. We'll tap it on.
It's like my children.
So we're at Melbourne Central now. This is where basically the main food section, all that shit. So, yeah, right behind me is where all the people at, the youth groups. I'll show you guys. Right there. Look how many there are. Hey, hello, brother.
I just know where it is. What's 400 meters away? That's like how. No, but you know the vacation, she has to take both up.
So we didn't end up finishing the food. So instead we took it away back there. But yeah, we put too much ingredients in it. Like always. But now we're getting milk tea just for our last dessert, you know what I'm saying? So yeah.
Station to reach Pakenham via Flinders Street. Your next service to departure stopping all stations to reach Pakenham via Flinders Street. Customers on Flinders Street are advised to stop the train and change at the
Yes. You keep asking and I keep pointing. What do you think?
See you next week. Nikki, 하나 봐.